set is a collection of well defined objects. Well defined object क्या कोया? Suppose collection of all the states of India, right? India सब जगह स्टेट मानकर कलेक्शन ये वेल डिफाइंड कहीं स्टेट केतरा अच्छे हमें जानी छे we can write them as a collection or set, right? Similarly, collection of all the district of Odisha. ओडिशा सब जगह डिस्ट्रिक्ट माने हमें जानी छे केतरा डिस्ट्रिक्ट, राइट? केतरा केतरा जानी छे केतरा डिस्ट्रिक्ट अछि ओडिशा रे?
30
तो 30 टा तमे लेखि पारिबो, राइट? कहि पारिबो 30 टा, राइट? सो दिस इज ए कलेक्शन काई these are well defined. हम बुझी पाउछे well defined माने कोन क्लियरली बुझा पड़छ आपको, राइट? जे एतरा स्टेट एतरा डिस्ट्रिक्ट, राइट? सिमिलरली यदि कहला collection of even natural numbers, even natural numbers, natural numbers मानकर even natural number हमें जानी चाहिए even natural number कोड़ा 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 डॉट डॉट, राइट? से माने विथ even natural number कोड़ा 2 4 6 8 10 these are even natural numbers, right? Collection of natural numbers, right? These sentences but these collections are well defined, so all these comes under example of set. So we will found some example which are not sets, okay? Collection of big river, collection of big rivers of India, India रो सब जगह बड़ा बड़ा नदी, this is not well defined. कहीं घोड़ाड़ नदी भी बड़ा नदी बोली हम कहि परिया, राइट? महानदी भी बड़ा नदी कहि परिया, ऋषिकुलिया भी बड़ा नदी कहि परिया, राइट? किंतु कोटा एक्चुअली बड़ा नदी कहया, राइट? This is big word itself is not well defined. कहीं मु कहि परि ऋषिकुलियाटा बड़, मु कहि परि बाघवा नदी बड़ बंधन, राइट? कहीं पानी तो जाउची जे पानी जाउछ माने बड़ मो भाई राइट महानदी भी बड़ राइट तमर गुड़ाड़ नदी कौन अच्छे से बड़ बोली कह राइट किंतु दिस बिग वर्ड इटसेल्फ कहीं आम ये वेल डिफाइंड बोली कहबानी कहीं आम जापर कोटा को नदी आम बिग कह से नदी किसी लेंथ दिखाई नदी किसी विड्थ दिखाई राइट किसी लेंथ की विड्थ दिखाई जे आम चेक कर इट इज ए बिग रिवर यस मुझे कहबी दिस इज नॉट ए सेट राइट this is not a set because it is not a set because the word big is not well defined. Well, go on mute please. Hopefully I need to meet you all. I have blocked you all to unmute yourself. So if you have any doubt, you can raise your hand. I will be there. Okay. So कौन कहली? कहीं के well defined नहीं. The big word itself is not well defined. Right. जब मैं कहता थी collection of big rivers river RIVER okay big rivers of India whose length is width or length whose width is 3 किलोमीटर जार width टा 3 किलोमीटर किथिबो राइट तो घोड़ाड़ नदी तो से भीतर जीवनी कहीं ता width तो माने 100 मीटर की 200 मीटर हो मत लागुची हला तो we can find out the rivers right we can collect those rivers माने गूगल करिग्री कि एनी बुक सर्च करिग्री राइट कि को नदीर विड्थ 500 रु माने 3 किलोमीटर रु अधिक होउछ we can collect those river names hence it is a set because here the word big associated with a definition the word big associated with its definition big is associated with its definition its definition means big का कहया जे हां एतिकी width हेले सेटा हम कहया big so it is associated right but the big word is associated with a measurable quantity जे big टा को हमें एतिकी द्वारा मेजर करया मु कहबी जे collection of माने set of all big fishes right big fishes माने रोहू माछ 5 किलिया 7 किलिया माछ अछि शार्क भी अछि राइट जी बहुत माने टन्स किलो राइट तो बिग जदि मु बिग सहित मु कहबी जे कलेक्शन ऑफ बिग फिशेस whose weight is at least 100 kg right हे पारे माने at least 100 kg right तो सेतो हम कहबे शार्क ये वो राइट फिश बिग सहित गोटे मेजरेबल क्वांटिटी मु दे देली right the word big is associated with a measurable quantity mu call collection of all good students here it is a set because because the big is well defined here. Well defined here. Big is well defined here. Big tide balare define koraichi by giving a measurable quantities to it. By giving a measurable quantities to it, right? Big size of measurable quantity Delhi, right? Okay, I will request all good students raise your hand. All good students raise your hand in this classroom, right? So immediately I am able to find 78 good students are there. 78 good students are there, and they all raise their hand because they are good students. They're really good students, right? Right? That's समझते हैं good एठे माने define हम कलेनी, right? तो good एठे हमको किसी measurable quantity मिलेंगे तो समझते raise कर ले हैं, right? मु कोई भी बर्तमान माने raise down means down your hand, right? हाथ तलु करो समझते raise your down your hand, right? All down your hand, please. Yes. Ipsa, Subhasmita, yes. Down your hand. Okay. Bartan mu कहली raise your hand who has secured 80%, at least 80% in 10th, right? So I want to check who all are there. Subhasmita, Rudra, Ipsa, Manapriya, Smita Rani, Soumya, Sudhanshu. How many of them? Let me check. Don't go on mute. Right? So how many students? 10 good students now, because I measured the good one with their percentage. हाँ, जो मैंने 80% आए थे से मैंने good student, right? So I measured good with a percentage so that I can name those names, right? I can call those names. Ipsa, Bhuvya, Soumya, right? It's difficult for me to remember all. Then Smita Rani, Subhasmita, Sanskriti, Damru, right? And all. Let me check others also. I don't know who are good students here. Actually good students. All are good students for me. Because I have given a measurable quantity, right? Right. So here the good is well defined because I give a measurable quantity to the word good, but the word alone, if it is present, the word good, if it is present alone, एकुटिया यदि present अच्छी, ता सहित कौनसी measurable quantity नहीं, then that is not a set. Then that is not a set, right? ମୁଁ କହିଲି all the beautiful students of Sai Tutorial first year, all the beautiful girls, right? So I have not measured anything with beautiful, right? I can say all the beautiful girls whose height is minimum 5.6 inch. More criteria है जार height 5.6 inch से mo pai beautiful. So I have given a measurable quantity to the word beautiful, right? Hence this is a set, because I will find at least 2 to 3 students girls name, right? If I will tell all the handsome boys of +2 first year, so all are handsome, all boys will raise their hand. But if I will tell whose height is minimum 5.8 inch, then that is a criteria. That is a criteria for me, that I will tell those boys whose height is 5.8 inch, they are only handsome boys. So I have measured the word handsome with a measurable quantity. Alone handsome word is not a set. Jodi sentence re khali handsome word achi, that is not a set. But handsome saହିତ jodi gote measurable quantity dei deli, that is a set. Khali handsome rahila, that is not a set. Handsome saହିତ gote jodi measurable quantity dei deli, that is a set. Right? So that means set is a collection of well-defined objects. Say object जाको जोड़ा कि well-defined, beautiful. It is not well-defined, right? So set is a collection of well-defined objects, right? Okay. Today almost done. Okay. तो सेट को हमें दी प्रकार लिख पाउँछ हैन. Set can be representation of set. Representation of a set. A set can be represented in two forms, right? One is tabular form, two is tabular form को अन्य नाम भी अच्छी. Tabular form को हम कोई परिया extension form भी कोई है. Extension form भी कोई है, right? अब कौन कोई है? Okay. Okay. Next है और दिया है तमरो properties from by builder form है. I will confirm it. Okay. Builder form or properties form or intention form भी कहते हैं. Okay, I will collect all those alternative names and I will let you know. But basic idea is set को हमें दी प्रकार लिख पाउँछ. One है tabular form. Tabular form का कोई आने? এটা builder form की roster form और मने पड़नी है. I think it is roster. Do you know anyone?
Yes, sir.
Roster from.
Sir. No, sir. No, sir.
First one is builder.
Yes, sir. First the roasted form. Sir, first the roasted form haba, second the set builder form.
Thank you. First one is roster form, second one is builder form. Okay. So I will confirm on these things. But yeah, basically I will set to Deepakar let's say. One is tabular form. Tabular form का कोई हमें if we write a set in comma separated, if we write a set in comma separated in a curly bracket, right? If we write the elements of a set separating them by comma की लिखा है separated them by comma in a curly bracket, whatever you can say, curly bracket, then the form is called tabular form. Okay. Example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a set which is represented in tabular form, right? Note, sets are generally denoted by capital letters A, B, C, D, right? Therefore, we can write A is equal to, these are all these things you have already learned in 7th 8th class also. So this is just a refreshment. Okay. Set को हमें कमा सेपरेटर देगी यदि कर्ली ब्रैकेट्स रख ले ताको हमें कहला set tabular form. Tabular form বা alternative names whatever. Okay, I will confirm on those other names. Okay, so sorry guys. So yes, set मान को हम कौन करिया कैपिटल A B C D ए वाले हमें डिनोट करिया. Yes, anyone has any doubt? Rudra, Smita Rani, Soumya. If not, you can down your hands. Okay. Next वाला properties form. Properties form बा builder form जोड़ा कुछ जाने, है ना? Properties form का क्या? if so this is generally denoted by x such that px, right? X such that px, that is here px is the property defined by, where px is the properties of x, properties of x कौन है? suppose को आला x such that x such that x is equal to x square minus 1 is equal to 0. So this will represent the properties of x. X टा कौन होगा? This will represent the properties of x, right? So that is px, right? Px will represent what would be